order, police. Yeah, what we need you guys to do is to line up in two lines. We're gonna get a go ahead after the two lines have been formed. You understand?
Repeat again.
Okay, roughly, as you can see, this is SAPS. We are coming here to prove all the people that are working here if they are documented. So that is the reason for us to come and stand here. So I'm gonna ask you guys to line up in two lines. You must form two lines. Can everyone understand that?
Listen, guys, to make it easy, if we have all South Africans, make one line. If we have a South African ID, make one line. Foreign nationals, make one line. Okay, do you understand?
Foreigners. What is the foreigners?
Hello, stand back, all the guys. We were standing approximately a few minutes ago.
Foreigners.
Two lines on that side. South
Foreigners,
Africans on the left,
foreigners.
foreign nationals on the right.
What? One side, foreigners, that side. In my own country. Foreigners, foreigners.
My friend, you're making a video, you don't listen.